For GDI injector cleaning and test, King CT400 can clean and test not only standard injectors but also GDI injectors, such as for Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Porsche, Ford, and other direct injection engines multi-voltage selection. King CT400 GDI fuel injector 6-cylinder cleaner and tester designs with various types of voltage output, 12V, 70V and 120V, to be selected to adapt for different types of injector testing upgrade ultrasonic cleaning, different from other cleaner and tester machines. King CT400 comes with a cooling fan and thermal protection, and with a power of 60 W, its ultrasonic cleaning capacity is significantly enhanced. Various parts equipped and portable drawer. It is equipped with a variety of injector accessories for different needs. A portable drawer at the bottom is designed to store a variety of parts and for easy access. 6-cylinder and 2 draining ports designed. King GID fuel injector cleaner and tester can test and clean 6 injectors at the same time.